Good morning, everyone. Just wanted to give you guys an update from our Office for Occupational Therapy and Psychiatric Counseling that we do here. If you haven't seen any of our videos before, I'll give you guys just a brief update on what we're doing. So we are located in Uzhhorod, Ukraine, which is Western Ukraine. We have been here for the past 12 years. I'm an occupational therapist, and mostly I work with patients that have had strokes or traumatic brain injuries. But also within the last 2 years, of course, we have opened up rehabilitation to soldiers or people who have, been suffering the effects of the war, civilians and non-civilians. I work together with a colleague, Dr. Gabriel, and he is the psychiatrist here at our office. And then my husband, Mike, he's also providing pastoral support and counseling for our patients. And he's also our taxi driver. So if any patients have difficulty getting to the clinic, he's able to go and pick them up. And what's really cool is he's not just driving them, but he's making sure that they're safe while they're walking to and from their house, helping them lock their gate, different things like that. So this is what we are up to. We have a small 14 meters squared office space in our church that we rent. We mostly do, as I said, working with people after strokes. We have a lot of special equipment that I'll show you here that came from the US, from a company called Sabo that was actually created by two occupational therapists. And so we have special equipment, and we specialize in upper extremity rehabilitation because that is something that is lacking in the rehab world here in Western Ukraine. We also do vision rehabilitation. We do work with patients that have aphasia or difficulty speaking after a stroke. These are some of the things that we are specializing in because we have seen that there are holes in the rehab network here. And so we want to fill those holes, fill those needs. And as I mentioned earlier, also psychiatry, but not just your regular psychiatry. It is biblical-based psychiatry, and with Dr. Gabriel. And we have just seen amazing things happen. We have seen miracles. We have seen people progress and do things that they've never done before, think thoughts they've never thought before. So we just are really thankful to be working here, to have a space to work out of. So today is April 17th. It's my mom's birthday. Happy birthday, Mom. And today on our schedule, we have 4 patients coming. We've got 3 stroke patients that we've been working with, each of them for at least a year, all of them working on their right upper extremity. We also have 1 man coming who suffered a traumatic brain injury a few years ago. So that is our patient load for today. We're here from 9 to 1, and our sessions are usually 50 to 60 minutes for each patient. In addition to that, we also hopefully will be having a wife of a soldier coming. Her husband returned from the front line and has been experiencing a lot of difficulties, not physically, but emotionally, and just transitioning back. So she is going to be coming today to kind of check out what we're doing here so that hopefully she'll be able to then go to her husband and recommend that he comes for a consultation. So that is on our schedule for today. We just also want to thank everyone who has been supporting us financially. We have so many people who give every month so that our family is able to live here and work here, and so that this clinic can operate. And we are very thankful for all of you. God has been using you to provide every single need. that we have, and we just know that it's going to continue to happen. We are planning to build a larger rehabilitation center that is in the works. Where we are right now, a designer and an architect now have our plans. They are creating the plan to present to the government to get approval, and also so that we can talk with them and think about, okay, what aspects are good, is there anything we need to change, and also to give us a price point of exactly how much this is going to cost. So far, we have invested about probably about 16 to 17,000 of our own money into this project, and then we have had several of you, churches and just individuals, investing thousands and thousands of dollars, probably about another $15,000 to $20,000 of you guys have already invested into this. And so we are thankful for you guys. We're looking forward to the next steps and the doors that God is going to be opening in the next few months. And so we just wanted to give you guys an update, let you know what we're doing. And also, if any of you would like to share our project or our information with anyone that you know who might be interested in partnering with us, please do. In the information section for this video, I'm also going to link our website for Center of Hope Ukraine, our rehabilitation center. I will link Dr. Gabriel's website for psychiatry, and also I'll just put information there of how to support us, so that if you know of anyone who might be interested, even if you know people who would like to come over and help us short-term or long-term, we just want to put all of our contact information there so you know how to reach us. Again, thank you guys so much for your support. I hope you have the best day, and we will continue to give you updates in the future.